I'll guide you through maximizing your American Express membership rewards points across all redemption categories, from low-value cashback to high-value travel partner transfers. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Before we begin, there are a few points you need to know. Low-value Amex point options cut your points value in half compared to travel. For example, statement credits or cover charges redeem at a low 0.6 cents per point. Amazon and online checkout redeem at 0.7 cents per point. Gift cards range between 0.5 and 1.0 cents per point depending on the retailer. For moderate value redemptions using the AmexTravel portal. Booking flights via AmexTravel offers a fixed 1.0 cent per point value. Business Platinum Pay with points rebate gives a 35% points rebate when booking eligible flights, raising your point value to $1.54 cents each. Prepaid hotels and rental cars range from 0.7 to 1.0 cents per point. Now, here are the steps to transfer points directly to external airline or hotel loyalty programs and unlock the highest possible value, which is 2.0 cents per point or higher. On the Amex app, tap the Membership tab or visit americanexpress.com and go to Rewards and Benefits. Select Transfer Points and choose your target partner program, for example, Virgin Atlantic, Air Canada Aeroplan, British Airways, or Hilton Honors. Link your external loyalty account, ensuring your full name matches both accounts exactly. Enter your transfer amount in minimum increments of 1,000 points and confirm. Transfers are permanent and non-reversible. Transfers to domestic U.S. airlines, like Delta or JetBlue, incur an offset fee of $0.0006 per point, capped at $99. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.